Hi, good morning. My name is Charu Thapar. I'm from JLL and I represent property and asset management. I look after the emerging markets including India, Thailand, Philippines, and Indonesia. This is my first instance where I've been invited by the Indian Plumbing Association to this event, and I found it absolutely enlightening. The sessions were excellent. I enjoyed the best practices shared by Stanley from Singapore and so many other learned professionals in this industry. I also enjoyed the conversations on and off stage with my fellow colleagues. I think it's great. The topic chosen on water is brilliant. I think that's the most important and scarce resource, and we have to concentrate on it to leave behind a good infrastructure for the generations to come. Thank you.